Don't directly export your video once you finish editing. Before that, you have to check the resolution and the frame rate and quarter rate. Okay, that is very important. So look at your resolution. My video resolution is 4K, frame rate is 13, and quarter rate is the recommended one. But mostly many editors miss this concept. The minimum rate must be 1018 pixels and the maximum rate must be 4K. That is number one. Number two, frame rate. Frame rate must be in 13. That was the recommended one. But to get a smoother playback for gaming purpose, like editing gaming videos or any other AI generated videos, you have to put it in 16 frame rate. Okay, 16 frame rate. Look at here. Frame rate must be in 16. Okay, it must be in 16, and the resolution must be in here or in here. The third concept is the quarter rate. Quarter rate must be on the recommended, but sometimes it's better to bring in here, okay, and high. So that is it. Once you finish that, just click on the up arrow and export. Okay, then the video start exporting, and finally you will come up with an amazing output. That is it. And this is Zedika Selector. If you are interested in such kind of tips, don't forget like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell ring. Come back with another video. God bless you. See you soon.